Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with new and exciting video for you. If you are looking for free Bitcoin mining apps, then this video is for you. I have selected 5 best Bitcoin mining apps for Android that I personally use and tested them. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel and joined the Telegram channel to be updated whenever I upload the video about new minings. All the minings are free of cost. You don't need to pay any gas fee to start. You need to watch till the end of the video to get step-by-step guide and how you can earn free Bitcoin with these free mining apps. The first one is freewitco.in. This is free site that promises you can earn Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies by doing different micro tasks. Average users are making $50 per day for free. Remember, only dedicated users can make good number of Bitcoins. This is gaming platform where you can play different games, make some referrals, price predictions, and earn free Bitcoin as reward. Later, you can exchange your Bitcoin with USDT and withdraw to the bank. Second one is Uprock Mining. Uprock is free crypto mining app for both Android and iOS, which helps you to earn passive income by sharing the unused internet. This mining app is built on Solana blockchain. This project is very unique mining project because you don't have to come in 24 hours to restart your mining. You just need to turn on internet and the mining is active. Third one is Coin app. It is a geo mining app with different mode of earnings. Every mode are loaded with tasks that gives you your earnings on cryptocurrency. Only by using their app you can earn. This app is free to earn Bitcoin. You don't need to pay any gas fee. This app will help you to earn good amount of BTC, but it doesn't make people millionaire overnight. But you can make good Bitcoin and money with this. Fourth one is FreeCash. Earn free Bitcoin with FreeCash. FreeCash is crypto earning platform which allows you to generate passive income. By doing different online tasks or micro tasks, you can earn money or crypto. The normal user also can make $10 per day by completing that simple micro tasks. Over $45 million is paid to their users till now for completing their micro tasks. As per the site, it takes only 17 minutes to make your first cash out. In average, $19 can be earned by completing the simple tasks. The last one is FocketPay. FocketPay is a website to earn free crypto. Individual can earn both ways, free and by investing. FocketPay is a platform which allows you to earn and withdraw certain amount of crypto from different other pockets. FocketPay is also micro payment wallet where you can put your crypto assets. You can hold different crypto also. You can earn by watching ads, Pocket list, after offer wall, surveys, paid to clicks, and with referrals. All the required links are given in Telegram channel and link to the Telegram channel is given below. Start mining free Bitcoin from today and subscribe this channel for more new free Bitcoin and crypto mining apps.